Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete Form ID1. You use Form ID1 to verify your identity with HM Land Registry when you're not using a solicitor or conveyancer and you're setting certain applications yourself, so this helps reduce the risk of property fraud. You can have your identity verified by a solicitor, licensed conveyancer, notary public, barrister, or chartered legal executive. If your ID is being checked by someone from one of the authorized professions listed in Practice Guide 67, you would use Form ID3 instead. So some people don't need identity checks, and those exceptions are also listed in Practice Guide 67. You can download the form for free from welcome-to-gov.uk. When filling it in, use the blank ink and block capitals so it scans clearly. Complete every panel in section A except panels 9 and 10 if they don't apply. So panels 1 to 10 is your personal details. Panels 11 to 13 are details of the application and the property. Panel 11, what the application is, example, transfer of ownership. And panel 12 is title number. If you know it, you can find it on the title register plan or search on welcome-to-gov.uk. So panel 13, full property address and postal code or a short land description. In panel 14, sign and date to confirm everything is correct. Next, take the form to a qualified verifier. They may charge a fee, so bring 2 passport style photos taken within the last 3 months. An ID evidence from the form, like one from a list A or 2 items from list B. So they will complete sign and date section B. If you live overseas, a local lawyer or notary public can verify for you, and you must include written proof they're authorized to practice in that country. So both sections must be signed and dated within 3 months of sending your application. Then post the form with your application to the HM Land Registry Citizen Center. Address is on welcome-to-gov.uk. So here's also a quick tip. Make sure documents are clear, include translations for foreign documents, and ask a legal advisor if you are unsure. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below.